The hell? What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain E3E once again with another aircraft review. This time, Continental Airlines Boeing 737-824 in the scale 1/500 by skymarks. Continental Airlines was formed in 1931 in El Paso, Texas by Robert Sick and would become one of the largest airliners, second to United. This aircraft right now flies for United Airlines. Continental's primary hub was Houston George H. Bush Intercontinental in Houston, Texas, and Denver International Airport in Denver, Colorado, and Newark Liberty International Airport in New York, in Newark, New Jersey. So now I'm going to give you a quick tour of the aircraft first, starting with the stack ports and PO tubes and the cockpit window and windshield wipers. Continental was once a member of SkyTeam, later merging with United in 2010. There you see the L1 door and the J.D. Powers Associate Award. The Continental livery. Two of the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines come along the wings down towards the tailplane of the 737-800, and I'll give you a look at the tail section. Continental was a U.S. flag carrier before their merger with United in 2010. The Continental World. I'll turn around. The APU. The auxiliary power unit, the horizontal stabilizers, and to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The Continental World, the American flag, come on the leading edges of the wings, the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, the Continental livery, and the door for the main galley behind the cockpit. The 737-800 was introduced back in 2008 and is one of the most successful commercial airliners flying today. And this aircraft was lovely done by skymarks, and which that they did an excellent job. I'll give you a quick look from the side and from this side. Bird's eye view right there. Alright, that's it for this review. This review will be posted on YouTube shortly, so I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.